శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో ఎంబీఏ, నాక్ ఏ గ్రేడ్ మరియు ఐఎస్ఓ సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ త్వరలో అటానమస్ కాబోతోంది.
2014లో ఐఎస్ఓ గుర్తింపు, 2015లో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వంచే ఏ గ్రేడ్, 2016లో నాక్ ఏ గ్రేడ్, ఇప్పుడు ఎన్బీఏ సాధించిన సంస్థ శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్
Programmable logical devices. It is very important chapter. In JNTK exam point of view, direct question will be asked in that unit, so it is easy to getting marks in SEM exam also. So in programmable logical devices, so what is programmable logical devices? PLDs. An IC contains large number of gates or flip-flops that can be configured by the user to perform the different function is called programmable logical devices. So for example, we have an IC, and that IC number of gates are there, flip-flops are there, mux are there, whatever the detail circuits are there, that can be configured by the user to perform the different functions is called programmable logical devices. In these programmable logical devices, we are using AND array and OR array are the main functions in the PLDs. So without AND gate and OR gate, there is no programmable logical devices circuit. So this is the very important advantages of PLDs. So we are designing the PLDs. Problems to using standard ICs, logical design that are required hundreds or thousands of ICs, considerable amount of circuit board space with a great deal of time and cost and soldering and testing. Those are the key factors in designing the ICs. So for example, we are designing one IC. First, that IC will be the first main factor, that IC will be the small size. In case we are designing large IC, means you have a large circuit diagram. For example, mobile, we are using mobile phone, so and that mobile phone, the small IC is there. In case large number of IC means we are designing the mobile body will be the large size, so it is unable to operate. So on that manner, so on that way, so another fact is cost also play the key role in the IC design point of view. So advantages, the advantages of using PL is less board space. Already I was told you, faster operation, low power requirements, that is less cost are the key factors in the PLDs design. In this PLDs are three types are there. First one is the three fundamental types are there. First one is the PROM, programmable read only. First one is the PROM, programmable read only memory. This is the first one. Second one is the PLA, programmable logical array. Third one is the PAL, programmable array logic. So those are the very important in a JNTK exam point of view. So it will be asked direct to 15 marks question. You will get easy to pass this subject and also getting the more marks scoring point of view also. So first we are discussing the PROM. So PROM, in this and one more thing, before let you start the PLS, before we are discussing that, this is the very important factor is in any circuit we are designing using XMark connection or fuse. This is the fuse. Those are the very important. Between the problems we are discussing, fuse will be how to connect the circuit diagram using fuse, and how to connect to the circuit diagram using this X. So those are the very very important. So first one is the PROM. 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 So PROM, that means programmable read-only memory. Read-only memory is a memory device. So memory device, you know the memory. What is the purpose of memory? It stores the information. That information will be available either zeros or ones. Every memory will store the binary bits only. In case we are storing one movie, that movie also will indicate 1.2 GB or 4 GB. So each memory can store the binary information, that means binary values only. So store the binary information permanently. That means we cannot change the stored information by as mean later. The ROM is a programmable in future. Then it is called programmable read-only memory. It is the flexible to binary information electrically once using the program. This is the functional block diagram. We have observed this block diagram. This is the PROM circuit diagram. So in this PROM, fixed and array, programmable or array. In this fixed and array as constructed as decoder. I was already discussed. So decoder, each and array can be constructed as decoder in PROM. So I will discuss in the problem. Once again I will tell you, please listen. It is a fixed and array, that means it is constructed by OR gate, constructed by decoder and programmable OR gate. We are applying inputs here and getting the outputs. This output will move to the, again this output will act as the inputs. This input will move to the OR gate connection. So those are the very very important. Here the inputs AND gate are not programmable type. I was already told you. This AND gate is a not programmable type. So this is fixed. We cannot change the AND gate. Here 2 power n product terms using AND gate, n input each. We can implement it those product terms n into 2 power n decoder. This is the formula for the decoder. N into 2 power n. For example, n equal to 2. That means 2 power 2. That means 2 into 4 decoder. So in a AND gate place we are designing 2 to 4 decoder. That means 2 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4 outputs. This is the 2 to 4 decoder. In the same manner, in case 3 inputs are there, n into 2 power n. That means 3 into 2 power 3. That means 3 into 8. So it is a 3 to 8 decoder. That means 1, 2, 3. Those are the inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 0 to 7 are the output. This is the 3 into 8 decoder. So this formula is the very very important. So don't get confused. Encoder also there. Encoder we are not designing in the encoder. This is also encoder formula. 2 power n into n is the encoder. N into 2 power n is the decoder. This is the decoder. This is the encoder. Don't get confused. So in this we have observed we are solving one problem. This is our example. So let us implement the following boolean function using PROM. So we have observed a x comma y comma z equal to sigma m of 5 comma 6 comma 7. So that is the a value. So b also the b, x y z equal to sigma m 3 5 6 7. So sigma m, I was already told you, sigma m, it indicate SOP form. In case problem will be there, pi of m, it indicates POS form. Already this will be the SOP form. So here what is you have observed clearly, x y z. In bracket we are giving any letters or letters A B C R or X Y Z. those letters will be the inputs. We have observed x, y, z are the inputs. So 3 inputs. Otherwise you don't in problem we are not having the letter. We have observed right hand side values will be there. So here starting value will be the 7, ending value will be the 3. So in B starting value will be the 3, ending value will be the 7. So this is the last value. So we have observed in our problem 0 to 7 values will be there. That is the total 8 value. So that is the 8 values. The 8 values means in decoder 2 to 4 decoder are there, and 3 to 8 decoder are there, and 4 into 16 decoder are there. In this problem it is the 3 into 8 decoder we are designing. Here we are designing 3 into 8 decoder, 3 inputs, 1, 2. In the same manner we have observed designing 3 into 8, 3 input x, y, z. So you can write top to bottom, bottom to top, there is no problem. So here we are writing m0, m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, and so. So in f of a of 5 comma 6 comma 7, this is the constructed AND gate, fixed AND. So that means constructed as a decoder. We are designing decoder. Programmable or we are designing. You have observed 5, 6, 7. So this is the value of say. So here 5 is there. So we are giving the connection here. 6 is there connection. 7 is there. In this connection we are designing one AND gate for A. In the same manner B of values will be the 3, 5, 6, 7. So we are designing 3, 5, 6, 7. The value of B. So this is the fixed AND gate. This is the programmable OR gate. So this is the PROM. This is the another problem. Implement the combinational circuit having the shown truth table using PROM. So it is the value. This is the another example. Here asking PLA. In this example we are taking PROM. So you have observed in output are the F1 and F2. In F1 F2 what are in F1 F2 in output side here 1 is there, here 1 is there. Note down the left hand side value. This is the F1 is the value of 0 and 1 and 2 and 4 we are getting. So this is the F1 value. So where it will be the 1 is there. Note down the opposite value. Here 4 to 1 code we are using. So here F1 first place will be 1. So that is the value of 0. Second place also 1. That is the value of 1. Third place also 1. That is the value of 2. Fifth place also 1. That is the value of 4. We are note down the F1 value. In the same manner we are note down the F2 values also. F2. In F2 equal to sigma of m. I am not mentioning sigma of m. So sigma of m. So we are note down the values. So 0 in F2 position first place will be the 1. That is the value of 0. So next position note down, and same thing 5, 6, 7 also there. So we are note down the value. This is the almost like 3 to 8 decoder. We are designing 3 to 8 circuit diagram, 3 inputs, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have observed clearly. So first we are designing. This is the 1 OR gate. That means this is the value of F1. Again we are designing OR gate. This is the value of F2. In the same manner, so we are giving the connection. In F1 0 place will be the there. So we note down the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 place will be there. So we are assigning X here. Again 1 also there. We are assigning X. 2 also there. We are assigning X. Again 4 also there. We are assigning. So there is no one. So this is the value of F1. In the same manner F2 0 also there. We are assigning. Next there again fifth position also 1, output side 1, sixth also they're assigning, 7 also they're assigning. This is the construction, this is the solving the problems using PROM. After that, next we are discussing the PAL, programmable array logic. In this programmable array logic is programmable under a fixed R array. This is the programmable, you have observed clearly. This is the programmable under a, this is the fixed array, R array. So this is the fixed, so we cannot change this R gate function. So it is the advantages of PAL. Generate only required product terms boolean function instead of generating all min terms by using the programmable AND gates. So we have to observe solving the one problem, you will easy to understand. So this is our this is the one example. A equal to xy plus xz bar. So we are second A equal to again this is the small mistake. This is the value of b. This is the value of b equal to xy plus yz bar. So here x, y, z. So here 3 inputs are there. So that way we are designing x, y, z. So here z bar also there, y bar also there. So x bar is not there. So so don't worry, if in case we are designing x bar, there is no problem. Here y bar is there. In that y place we are putting one NOT gate. So this is the value of y bar. Same thing we are putting one NOT gate for z. This is the value of z bar. Our equation is the x, y is the first equation. So we are designing AND gate. So we are designing AND gate because here 1, 2, 3, 4. So four AND gates are there. We are designing 1, 2, 3, 4 and first is the xy. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y. We are assigning x. Next is the xz bar. So we are assigning x. Next is the z bar we are assigning. Next one is the x, y, z. So in the same manner, next is the x, y bar. Next is the yz bar. So here x, y in this problem, here plus is there, here plus is there. So that means R gate. Here this is the value of xy. This is the value of xz bar. So this is we are designing one AND gate. We are giving connections here. In the same manner, this is the value of b. So we are giving the x mark. This is the example how to design the circuit diagram for the PAL. This is the example for solving the PAL. Implement the following boolean function using PAL. W of a, b, c, d equal to sigma m of 2, 12, 13. Sorry. X of a, b, c, d equal to sigma m 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Y of a, b, c, d equal to sigma m 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. Z of a, b, c, d equal to sigma m of 1, 2, 8, 12, 13. So we are getting only equation. So based on that equation, first it is design the K map. Here A, B, C, D are the 4 variables. That means 2 power 4. That means 16. It is the 4 variable K map. First I have solved only W value. After I have already told how to solve the K map. I was already told you. So once again I will solve the value of W. So in the same manner you can solve X, Y, Z. So this is the 4 variable K map. I am designing 4 variable K map. So this is the 4 variable K-map. Our values will be the A, B, C, D. So this is the value of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. In that we are assigning the value here. This is the value of 0, 1, 2, 2 there. So we are assigning 2. Again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 also there. So next after that grouping, here 2 variables are there. In that variables we are grouping. Note down how to grouping. Already I was told you. So here note down this left side value. So note down this one is there in left side value, top value. So left side values 1, 1, top value 0, 0. Again this value note down left side values and top value 1, 1, 0, 1. Here this one will be the common. Again this one will be the common. This is 0 also common. This is the value of A, B, C. Here A, B, C bar we are getting. So we have observed A, B, C bar are first value. So it is also A, B, C bar we are getting first. So next this one will be the only one is there. We are not participating in a group. So note down this one will be the single value. Note down the single value also. This is in left hand side 0, 0 is there. Top 1, 0 is there. This is the value of A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So we are getting A bar, B bar, C, D bar. In the same manner, we are solving X value, Y value, Z value using K-map. After that, we are designing the circuit diagram based on the equation. And before design the tabular form, this is the very, very important. This is the very, very important tabular form. How to design the tabular form means, first we have to observe. We are already solving the K-map. We are getting the equation. In that equation, how many terms are there? So how many terms? That means this is one multiplying term. This is one multiplying term. Note down in that same manner. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So totally 11 terms are there. Here each multiplying term 3 are there. Maximum 3 are there. So in that manner we are designing here product terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 we are note down. So that is your wish. You can note down or individually or taking each W also 3, X also 3, Y also 3, Z also 3. Whatever maybe you can note down 3 terms, or you have to find out the values, note down that values also. That is your wish. Our getting the values is A, B, C. So that is the input values A, B, C, D. Here W means in Z we are solving the Z equation. We have getting W equation. That's why we are highlighting this value. That is the value of W. We are assigning the W. So first is the W value A, B, C bar. Here A is there, in that place we are writing 1. B is there, we are writing 1. C bar is there, so on that place we are writing 0. In case we are getting bar, on that place we are designing 0. We are not getting bar, that value we are writing 1. In case no value is there, that is indication of underscore. Once again we have to observe, this is the value of first X equal to A plus BCD. So this is the A is there, we are assigning 1. So remaining term will all indicate dash. Next term will be the BCD. So here B is there, we are assigning 1, 1, 1. Remaining all are underscore. So in the same manner we are designing the PAL circuit diagram. So next one is the PLA. In PLA, AND gate programmable or OR gate programmable. We can design our conveniently. So in this we have to observe this is also same example. So in the same manner we are designing. This is the PLA we have observed. In the same also we are getting same thing. So in PLA, PAL are the same we are designing because it is getting same thing here fixed, and in PAL is the fixed R. Here both are the programmable. We are solving the same. You have observed once again I told you PROM fixed and array, PROM fixed and array constructed a decoder, programmable R array. So PAL programmable and fixed R, PLA programmable and programmable R. Those are the very important differences. This is the PLDs, programmable logical devices. We are solving the problems in the next class. Thank you.